Are Duremax Max Performance Gummies the real deal, or just another supplement with big promises and little proof? These gummies are marketed as a powerful solution to boost your energy, improve stamina, support blood circulation, and even help manage stress levels, all packed into a tasty chew. With ingredients like shilajit, fenugreek, Irish sea moss, and manuka honey, it sounds impressive on the surface. However, when you take a deeper look, the picture isn't so clear. While shilajit and fenugreek have a long history in traditional medicine for male vitality and energy, and Irish sea moss is rich in minerals, there's still very limited scientific evidence proving that these ingredients work effectively in gummy form or deliver the claimed results in the doses typically found in supplements. There's also no third-party testing or clinical studies backing up Duremax's specific formula, which is a big red flag for anyone serious about what they put into their body. What's more, when we checked the product's Amazon listing, it had only 2 reviews, both of them negative, reporting little to no benefit, and even some possible side effects like stomach discomfort. This raises serious concerns about product quality and customer satisfaction. The brand emphasizes convenience and flavor, which may appeal to casual users, but that could just be a clever distraction from a lack of transparency and real results. In the end, Duremax Max Performance Gummies sit in a gray area and not a total scam, but definitely not something we can confidently recommend either. The hype doesn't quite match the facts, and the lack of proven results leaves us skeptical.